Hello and welcome back for another AGIX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the AGIX chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, AGIX is trying to battle out with a key area of resistance at around the $0.227 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.258 mark. AGIX has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.171 mark, we started this nice recovery to the upside in a move that is obeying the Elliot structures, where we first saw this 1-2 setup here on the charts, and after seeing the 1-2 setup, we are now seeing another 1-2 setup to the upside, where we can term this as a wave 1. And whatever we have been seeing on the charts is a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is the area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area between the $0.224181 mark and the $0.2 mark. And it is within this red target area that I have been expecting to see AGIX put in place the low for that second wave before we can see a reaction of the target area and start an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3. So there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, and we can start an impulsive wave very soon in the formation of this wave 3. And the moment we manage to break above resistances, then there are high chances that soon we are going to put in place the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. But in case we get rejected by this key area of resistance at around the $0.227 mark and maybe see a bit of a pullback on the charts, then that would be suggesting that we are going to fully maximize our red target area before we can start our impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm watching out here on the AGIX chart. There are also chances that since we have this descending channel that I have right here, we can term this as a bull flag that we have here on the charts, which is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side. And in case we see the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side, then that will be suggesting the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3. Alternatively, in case further breakdown continues, we can still term this as a descending channel, which could give us the breakout to the lower side. And since this is a bearish chart pattern, then we can expect further breakdown in a move that could help us fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 2 before we can start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And if I zoom out on the charts to give you my long-term point of view here on the AGIX chart, you can see that after seeing our November lows, we saw that 5 wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And since we have fully maximized that target area, I now believe that AGIX is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And the moment we see a complete 5 wave structure on the chart, followed by an ABC corrective structure, that will be enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is now in, and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. So those are the moves that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the AGIX chart. And Once you have confirmations that the low is in, then I'll be able to give you minimum target areas for the wave 3. Continue watching those key areas of supports and resistances, because a break above them we can expect higher prices, and a break below key areas of supports we can expect further breakdowns into the target areas that I have given you. Also, taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 40 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.